some time away to grow, to mature, both spiritually, physically, and gain more clarity. Hi, I'm DuchessMami. I'm a visual artist and a beauty creative. I am so happy you are here. I'm in a season of becoming more aligned with God and myself. I want to create a space where we can talk about beauty, creativity, and life honestly. You'll see soft beauty routines, creative days, and faith-led conversations. I'm learning to listen to God and choosing softness over pressure. I don't have everything figured out. I am just becoming more intentional. I took some time away to grow, to mature, both spiritually, physically, and gain more clarity. So now I feel like I'm more intentional. I have learned a whole lot through every season, and I am back here to stay. So I'll be posting get ready with me, I'll be posting makeup routines, also be posting my art process, my studio space, and every process during my art creation. As faith leads, we can discuss about my faith and the journey so far. I mean, God has been good to me. He has taken me on a journey throughout this season. So some days we're going to talk about that as well. I'll be posting weekly and consistent short in between, like 2-3 times a week short. But for videos, I would be posting every Saturday. If any of this resonates, subscribe and walk this journey with me. I will be happy to have you here. Bye.